Utilizing white marble with gold accents maximizes light reflection, creating a spacious and opulent atmosphere in compact interiors. Integrating ribbed blue accent walls introduces necessary tactile texture, effectively balancing the sleekness of glass and polished marble surfaces. Blending warm wooden textures with cool marble surfaces creates a sophisticated thermal balance, enhanced by geometric tile focal points. Vertical wall sconces combined with marble veining visually elongate the walls, making the ceiling appear significantly higher than reality. Using beige marble tones alongside geometric glass features maintains a cozy, organic warmth within an otherwise minimalist architectural layout. Designing recessed shelving into marble walls optimizes essential storage without encroaching on valuable floor space or disrupting visual flow. Deep navy cabinetry provides a necessary visual anchor, grounding the airy white marble surroundings with a sophisticated, bold contrast. Circular illuminated fixtures and round mirrors work to soften the harsh, angular lines created by geometric shower tiling patterns. Centralizing the freestanding bathtub transforms the bathroom layout into a dedicated sanctuary for relaxation. Incorporating intricate gold and blue tile patterns adds essential visual complexity and depth to an otherwise monochromatic white color scheme. Installing oversized backlit mirrors provides shadow-free facial illumination, which is essential for creating highly functional and modern grooming areas. Utilizing vibrant mosaic walls creates a durable, waterproof art installation that defines the wet zone within a luxury setting. Wall-mounted floating vanities reveal more floor surface area, a crucial trick for making compact luxury rooms feel significantly larger. Introducing dark wood elements and black geometric tiles adds a masculine, grounding contrast to the polished gold and marble. Herringbone tile patterns naturally guide the human eye upward, effectively emphasizing vertical spatial flow and enhancing the sense of height.